A slew of JCBs, heavy police deployment, police action on students, and eventually their detention. Sum up the scenes that played out at the University of Hyderabad on March 30. A peaceful rally on the East Campus against the clearing of the 400-acre land in Kanchakachiboli next to the educational institution turned ugly when the Cyberabad police manhandled and detained over 50 students. The Telangana authorities claim that the students obstructed their work and some of them had assaulted the police personnel. However, the student protests grew louder and continued into the night to demand the release of the detained students. The Student Union President, Umesh Ambedkar, confirmed all the detainees were released in batches on Sunday but said that a student and an alumnus remained detained by the Telangana police as an FIR was filed against them. The land in question is an urban forest rich in biodiversity which has been put up for auction by the Revanth Reddy government to develop commercial and residential establishments including IT parks. A joint action committee was formed by the Students' Union, Teachers' Union, Workers' Union, and Non-Teaching Staff Union to oppose the government's proposal legally. A public interest litigation to declare Kanchakachiboli as a national park was filed by the non-profit Vata Foundation, and the matter was first heard on March 24 by the Telangana High Court. The High Court issued notices to the Telangana government to file a counter-response by April 7. A city-based group of nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts, Save City Forest, in a press release highlighted that the survey number 25 KGV is a deemed forest with endangered animal species and the TGIIC's auction was being carried out in violation of environmental laws because there has been no prior environmental impact assessment and no environmental clearance obtained on this proposed unconstitutional auction. It further noted, the clearing of this forest by any means lies in contempt of the Supreme Court's direction to all the governments in India to protect its forests by identifying forest lands. Despite the opposition, the JCBs continued to mow down the forested land bit by bit overnight. On Monday morning, the earth movers grew to 40 in number to further expedite the process reportedly. Telangana CM Revanth Reddy brushed aside the student opposition as politically motivated against development in the state assembly. The IT and Industries Minister D. Sridhar Babu clarified that the state government is the owner of the land parcel. The opposition party leader KTR called out Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party for the ruthlessness on the student community in contrast to its political campaign of Mohabbat Ka Dukan. In the latest development, the university has officially denied previous claims of a land survey allegedly done in July 2024 by the state government to demarcate the contested property. And the Student Union President has said that the next course of action will be determined in an all-party meeting.